I need to start packing. This is what my room looks right now. I am trying to get started. I only have like this one box that I have almost filled all the way through. So for context, I am moving out of this place because it is the end of the semester. It is, oh my god, it is the end of the semester and I'm gonna be moving out of this place soon. After my final exams, I'm going back to India for the summer, and then I'm gonna stay there for the summer and then come back and move to another place with new roommates. And so I have to pack everything in this place, put it in these cardboard boxes and keep all of those boxes at a friend's place, and I have to pack my suitcases for India as well. So I have this huge bag of gifts. It's not all Nike gifts. I've gotten like different stuff for everyone. This bag is for my sister, this is for my mom, and then this is for like my dad. I'm going to this place called the Elcon Mall primarily to go watch a movie, and then I also need to go get boxes, like huge cardboard boxes to fill all my stuff in, and hopefully I find those because I really need those to get started with packing my stuff to move out. I got here, I'm walking to the theater. I'm running a little bit late, so I'm trying to hurry up. The movie is over. I really liked it. I'm going to Walmart, I think. I can either go to Target, which is somewhere over there, and then Walmart, which is the other way. I'm probably going to Walmart. I'm getting a few of these boxes so that I can keep my stuff in them. Vanakkam guys. When we went to this place called Fizz, this is me, that's Vibha. I got a cafe Rolo, which is like caramel sauce and a mocha, I think. I got an Irish whip. No, what's it called? An Irish wake. And it has Irish cream and it's mocha. Vibha is helping me pack, and this is how the room looks right now. I'm supposed to keep all of these over here and then put that suitcase inside this suitcase, which is also full of clothes that I need to take. So yeah, we are trying to manage. I pulled down my entire closet, so like there's no more clothes in there obviously because they're all over here. Vibha. Me and Erica, we just went to Walmart. I made her go to Walmart with me. I don't think she needed anything. She just came with me and we spent money. We went to Costco before this and then we didn't get anything there. I just wanted to get chocolates. I'll show you guys what I got.
We got a hot dog.
Oh yeah, we got a hot dog from Costco and then we left. And then she said she didn't want to get an ice cream, which was extremely rude because I wanted to get an ice cream. And then we went to Walmart, and that's her stuff, that's my stuff, and this is my stuff. But then yeah, I got Lay's packet. This is not for going back home, this is for some girls picnic I'm having with some friends tomorrow. And then these are the things that I got for home. So like I got these 4 big packets of dark chocolate and milk chocolate, and then I got some Indie. Talking again, okay? 2 minutes.
Tell them don't be scared from my driving. She's safe. I promise.
Your driving is not scary at all.
Really?
I'll take you.
Don't jinx it.
Your driving is not scary. So we went inside Walmart, right? And I was like, I only need to get chocolates. So I don't think we really need a cart. And then we started getting stuff. And we were like, okay, I need this and I need this. And we got 4 bags of stuff and we were running around Walmart carrying all that stuff in our hands. And now we are going back. She's dropping me off home again. Okay, I have packed all my stuff and I'm keeping it at my friend's place. That is Vibha. Say hi.
Hello.
Diksha ready? I got back from my friend's place yesterday and then I went to the library right after to start studying because I had a final. I had to study for it. But now that I'm done with all my finals, I'm done with like studies and stuff. I finally have time to take it all in. Now it's really hitting me how empty this place feels. I'm currently filming on this bag right now. But yeah, this place is all packed up in boxes. And I'm going to be filming my trip to India. I'm very excited to go back. I will see you guys in my next video next Friday. Bye bye.